I just made $850 profit on gold. I didn't get to full take profit, but that is okay. I think this trade was pretty good, so let me show you how I did it. I'm looking for buy position to go back, I think maybe to this area here, to this volume area. You can see strong impulse from yesterday and the price didn't even get to 38.2. So we might looking for correction of this impulse from yesterday. Maybe there is possibility to go up here, but I'm gonna take it easy. I want to get maybe 2% of this trade. There is a chance that we're gonna go up, but let's add some more things to the chart. Okay, this is our support zone. If we're gonna break through, don't worry too much, because here, like you can see, we got volume area, high volume edge. So if not from here, we might have a chance to go up from this area right here. So we're gonna measure this impulse from the morning using our Fibonacci tool. Okay, I want the price to stop somewhere around 38.2 or 50%. 50% is close to our high volume edge, so maybe from this area we're gonna go up, or maybe in the minute. So we got two options, but basically I'm looking to buy. Okay, my risk will be 1% for the trade and I'm looking at 2%. It's 10 past 12, so it's still early. We might have situation that the price will move in some kind of range to like 2, maybe 230. So we might have to wait for this trade, but that's okay. It's a part of the job. So sometimes we got plan, we make nice plan, and we need to wait for the perfect entry, for the perfect situation, so we can get nice profit. So guys, we're gonna wait. I can see the price slowly dropping down. So we will see what's gonna happen in this area right here, or maybe we're gonna open it from here. But basically my direction is up. So let's wait and see if it's gonna be time to open the trade. I will show you how I do it, how I set my stop loss, how I set my take profit, what risk I'm gonna take, and later on we're gonna see if I'm gonna get take profit or maybe I will hit stop loss, because you know stop loss is part of the game. Every one of us hits stop loss, but the thing is to keep your profits by the end of the month higher than zero. So we want some profits, few percent. It doesn't have to be 20, 30%, 5, 10% a month is enough, guys. Enough to make good money, good profits. Okay, so basically we're gonna wait. I will come back to you hopefully soon. Okay guys, like you can see, the position is still open, but it's already 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna finish for today. I don't want to trade anymore. Before I closed $1,300 in profit. Now we got $2,000, so in total it's gonna be more than 3,000. Guys, enough. I'm gonna close it. Like you can see, position now is closed. Let's check my profit. Close position. So we got $1,987 and $1,325 from one position. I think it's pretty good. For me, that's it for today.